You're probably going to go, oh, I see what you're doing. You don't like what's happening, so you're fleeing Linux. No, no, no. This is something I want to do. This is something I've been wanting to do for some time, and that is I wanted to take FreeBSD and take basically an LTS challenge to see if I can use it in my daily workflow. Because there are some people who are saying, hey, FreeBSD actually works now. And there's some people saying FreeBSD doesn't work now. So I want to find out if it'll work with the workloads that I'm trying to use. So what I plan to do is, at least for the next 45 days, now I know Linus from Tech Tips, he didn't do it for 45, he did it for 30. The reason I chose 45 is that FreeBSD 15.1 is supposed to come out, if they hold the schedule, the 2nd of June. And so that would be a perfect thing to have in the middle of a test, right? How easy is it to migrate to the next version? Am I going to have to reinstall everything, or will it just be seamless? As I'm used to Fedora. Fedora is like, you just run an update, it's done. It'll tell you when it's ready. It'll say, hey, 44 is ready for download. Do you want to install it now? And it just seamlessly does it. Of course, you really need to, it's not perfect. You have to go through manually and clean out all the junk that it left, but it does about 98% of the job. It does it well. So yeah, but it does leave some junk behind. So you might want to go and clean up those. If you haven't done so, look in your libraries and see if you have anything from last year if you're using it. But I'm not planning on testing this casually. This is full in. So I'm gonna set aside my main workstation, and that will include this, doing this video, browsing, development, and everything else that I use it for. So yeah, if it fails, yeah, I may not be here next week. But I wanna experience the unified base, having ZFS as my boot environment, to be able to make updates and be able to use the ports collection, and then be also able to use jails. There's nobody they've all talked about bhyve, but I challenge you to find one video on YouTube where somebody has actually set it up and used it. I want to do that. I want to actually go through it and actually run it. I bet you there are some videos probably on FreeBSD's site, but I don't know of anybody that on YouTube, at least I've never seen one, that's actually done it recently. And I also want to play around with the Linux compatibility layer. I want to set up PF as my firewall, and I want to integrate it with jails because the two do fit together. So that's my goal. I don't know how far I will get, but that's my goal. I'm not rage quitting Linux. I'm not quitting Linux. I'll be back. I just want to see if this is possible. Because I started out on Unix, and I kind of miss parts of it. Even though FreeBSD is Unix-like, you can't call it Unix. Now, Apple, you can, because they're certified by the Open Foundation. They're actually certified as Unix. AIX is too. Although there was a couple of lawsuits that kind of questioned that, but I think eventually they worked it out. So I'm planning on being perfectly honest. I'm not gonna bore you with weekly deep dives in this. I'm just gonna probably what I'll do is I'll do a deep dive and get it set up, and then I'll just put a 10-minute update where I'm at, what I didn't like, what I did like, and what surprised me. How's that? That's my that's my intention.